qualifications are invited from eligible candidates for the following posts on contractual basis on the District Resources Center on Disability Affairs, Civil Hospital Nongpoh. The post of physiotherapist qualification, postgraduate in related field, the work experience 5 years, the pay scale 21,400 per month. Audiologist and speech therapist. The qualification, postgraduate in related field, BSc, speech and hearing. B, pay scale 21,400 per month. Post number 3, post of accountant, storekeeper. The qualification, BCom or SAS, work experience 2 years. The pay scale 14,800 per month. Post of physiotherapy attendant, the pay scale 9,850 per month. The post number 5, post of Peon messenger. The qualification plus 10 pass, pay scale 9,850 per month. Post of cleaner, the pay scale 9,850 per month. The age limit for the above posts 18 to 32 years with relaxable by 5 years for ST or SC. For the posts 5 and 6 nurse categories of disabled suitable for the post, 1 arm affected right or left, and number A, impaired, B, weakness of limb, C, at axis 1 leg affected right or left, number A, impaired, bridge, B, weakness of limb, and C, at axis partially deaf. To upload application and standard form will be filled along with attested copies of all testimonies, and tourism passport size photograph has to reach the office of the District Social Welfare Officer, Civil District Nongpoh by 2nd and January 2023. The self-stamped envelope containing the application form should be clearly supervised as application for the post.